Yeah, I realize it's only August. I'm down here and I'm shooting another video about my furnace. This is the Kuuma VAPOR FIRE 100. And it's a furnace that's made by a company up in Tower, Minnesota called Lamppa Manufacturing. I've had this in the house here since 2018. So we've had almost a decade of warming our house with this furnace, and here's what it looks like after this many years. 8 years. Pretty good. I think it looks probably different than the water heaters that are, you know, the outdoor wood boilers. There's never any creosote buildup on anything in here. Ash can. Of course, I cleaned all this in April when we finished using it. The little computer module that operates the damper. Very simple with an on-off switch here. This is used in conjunction with the kind of weather we're having outdoors, actually. So if it's really sort of warm weather, early season for us here in North Carolina, I'm typically down here, let's say in October, even the beginning of November, still low. But by January, I'm running this thing up here and even in this range here. If you live in the north, say in the New York area, maybe you're going to be running it on high in the January, February months. This system is what controls the damper, which is located down here and allows air to enter into the firebox.